Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum
Inshallah,
salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Sorry, my thing is disconnected.
no problem. You are back now. Alhamdulillah, I let you in. Inshallah, we will start our class and we will start from alphabet again. We done few letters last time, but we will remind ourselves again. So, inshallah ta'ala, we know how important our tajweed is, our rules are, and Mukharj al-Huruf, the places where letters come from, that is very, very important topic to learn. And it is a tajweed is a art to learn. Once you know, mashallah, you enjoy. Inshallah. So the correct place where the letters come from that we are looking called Mukharijul Huruf. Arabic word Mukharij mean kharaja mean exit, and Mukharij where the exit places are of the letters. Mukharijul Haruf mean letter, harf letter, and huruf letters. So these are we are going to check now, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين. اللهم فقهنا في الدين. اللهم فقهنا في الدين. Inshallah ta'ala. So we will start. How many letters are in Arabic alphabet?
Is it 26?
28 or
28.
29?
29, okay.
28 or 29. Some scholars says 29 because they count alif and hamza separate letters. But
Okay.
the scholars who says 28, when you change alif into hamza, because any alif, when they receive anything on it, they become hamza. So
Mhm.
that's why they say then they start with hamza. They say hamza, ba, ta, sa. And alif we done with the inshallah ta'ala we will do again. So we'll start from alif. Alif come from the empty space of our throat and our mouth. Empty space. Alif come from alif. Alif. Alif come from empty space of our mouth
Mhm.
and also our throat. So the with the air, the sound goes out with the air. Like when air stop, the sound stop. So it's a cut off sound where air cut off. So alif is the first letter of uh, Arabic alphabet. So if you can say alif,
Alif.
just say after me alif,
Alif.
Aleph.
alif. So it is alif. And now next is ba,
Ba.
ba,
Ba.
ba, ba, ba,
Ba.
Ba.
ba. No
Ba.
ba. When we say ba, that is a wee bit heavy. It's not a heavy letter, it's a lighter letter. Ba, ba,
Ba.
Ba.
ba, ba.
Ba.
Yeah, it's not either ba as well. Ba, it's no ba or it's no ba. It's ba, ba. Not the soft letter, okay?
Mhm.
And alif was the empty space of our mouth and throat. That was the house of the alif, makhraj, where alif come from. Now we say ba. Ba, ba come from meeting our both lips. Ba, wet part of our lips. When they meet together, we say the letter ba. What is the makhraj? What is the makhraj of ba?
Is it from the lips?
From the lips. Both lips meet together on the wet part. See this part where the we before after the lipstick.
Okay.
Ladies don't put lipstick there because it's wet. We put lipstick on the dry part, yeah?
Yeah.
And that is a memes makhraj. Dry part is a
Yeah.
memes makhraj. And both lips meet together at the wet part where
So
ba
that's the
comes
bad.
from. Yeah,
Okay.
meet together with the on wet part, this part. Yeah, they can, if you can see this part, no part, this part, but here
Yeah.
in the end, in the edge, ba.
Mhm.
That is bad makhraj. So alif, empty space of your mouth and throat. Ba, meeting both lips together on the wet part. Ta, ta, ta is, this is also lighter letter. Ta, ta. This one is, if you see ta, say at, you will find out where your makhraj is. At, ta, ta, ta. Where your tongue is touching.
It's
Ta
on
touches.
the roof of the mouth.
So this is ba. Let me show you ta. One minute, sorry. Let me close it and bring together because it's not working that way. Sorry. Here. Here. Ta. If you can see. Yeah. Ta. Where tongue is touching. On the bumpy part of your two upper teeth gum line. The bumpy part. Feel it in the middle. There is a bump. Little bump. Middle of your two upper teeth inside. Middle of your two upper teeth is a bumpy part. You see, ta, ta, you touch there, where the tip of your tongue, okay? Where it goes?
Yeah, just in between your upper teeth.
Upper teeth. So on the gum
Mm.
area, okay? And you can feel it. Ta, 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 it's touching there. Tongue is touching there. And ta also have two other letters which are sharing the same makhraj. Ta, dal, and ta. Ta, dal, and ta. These three letters are sharing the one makhraj. What is the makhraj?
That upper part of your
You,
your just like the sling of the mouth on top of the mouth, on top
you
of
say,
the
if easy way you say, tip of your tongue touches the gum
upper.
of your two upper teeth.
Mhm.
Tip of your mouth, tip of your tongue, tip of the tongue touches the
The upper teeth.
gum area of your two upper teeth.
Mhm.
So of course it is inside, not outside. Yeah.
Yeah.
So in here, as you can see on the picture as well, ta ta. But if you can see your tongue, only the tip is touching, nothing else. Tongue is lower at the back because this is a lighter letter. It's not a full mouth letter. That's why it's a lighter letter. Ta ta ta. Alif ba ta. Now, if you can say ta,
Ta
both of you, all, everybody,
ta
ta.
ta
Mhm. Okay. Now, This is our sa.
But the picture is not coming on the screen. I don't know why.
Oh, sorry, sorry. Oh, so and I moved a bit because I opened the different picture. One wasn't working, so I had to open the different one, and I forgot to share. And I'm showing you without picture.
Mhm.
Sorry.
That's fine.
Here you go. Yeah.
Yeah, it's full now. Yeah.
Now here now. Inshallah. There. 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 Now you can see the picture.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here. The ta for ta tip of the tongue touching the
Actually,
gum,
the gum of the.
the bumpy part of the gum of your two
Mhm.
upper teeth.
Mhm.
And this is the letter ta, ta. And this is ta, ta. And ta and dal and ta, they share the same makhraj. They have same house,
You have
but
the
they
same.
live in different rooms. You can say
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
people live in different rooms, but in the same house.
Mm-hmm.
That means their sounds are different. Yeah, but their qualities are different, but they share the same makhraj.
Mm-hmm. The
And
emerge in
these
the same place.
this ta and ta, people mix together. People say
Mm-hmm.
this is ta as well. Ta, both ta, ta. So
Mm-hmm.
this is a lighter letter. This is heavy letter. So
Mm-hmm.
inshallah, when we go to this one, I'll show you. So this is at the moment lighter letter ta, ta,
Mm-hmm.
ta, and this is sa, sa, sa. So this is sa, this letter with three dots on. If you can see,
Mm-hmm.
tip of your tongue touches the tip of your two upper teeth.
Mm-hmm.
Tip, tip of the tongue touches the tip of your two upper teeth, and it goes underneath. No, as you can see, no any part of your tongue is showing outside, like
Mm-hmm.
out of the teeth, and it is not either inside, staying inside. It is right exactly there where it should be. So tip of your tongue touches the tip of your two upper teeth, and the two upper teeth called snaya ulia. The Arabic word
Naya.
is snaya ulia.
Naya Ulia. Yeah.
Yeah, snaya ulia. That's, and we say tarful lisan. This is tarf mean the tip, the front part of lisan mean tongue. So I'm not going to use the big words for you. I'm just going to use the English easy way. But
Yeah.
if anybody want to find out, you can ask me, okay?
No
What
problem.
is the Arabic name of these parts, and I'll tell you. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So because we are using different parts of our body to say these letters, and we need to know where. And I in last class I told there are five major areas of our body we use to speak, to say,
Mm-hmm.
and those are the five major areas. If um, Amina,
Yeah.
If you remember, which
Um,
five major areas are?
to speak, you mean?
Yeah, to speak. What do we
Is the
use?
tongue, the tongue,
The mouth, the tongue, and
the throat?
the throat. Yeah,
Is it the nasal and where's the nose?
nose. Yeah, and
The lips?
the lips. Yeah, the lips. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and that's it. Throat, a lisan, that is a
The
tongue,
tongue, the nose,
and
no,
nose
the lips.
and lips. What else?
But that's I can remember.
Five. There are five.
Yeah, I remember four.
Four. Okay. Inshallah. Slowly, slowly you will learn. Okay.
Mhm.
So slowly, our throat, we don't take like no any letter comes from nose. Yeah,
Is it a nasal? Like, like a
yeah. It's a gunna sound goes.
gunna sound,
Gunna.
yeah.
Yeah, gunna sound goes there of two letters, meme with shad and
Mm-hmm.
noon with shad with that little w on. Those
Mm-hmm.
two letters sound goes through your nose and coming out. So these two letters use. So you look at the picture very carefully and you will find out.
Is it the tip of the lips, tip of the tongue, back of the tongue, and the throat? Hello?
Sorry, did you say something?
Yeah, I said, is it the tip of the tongue, the lips, back of the throat, and the middle part of the throat?
Yeah, middle part of the throat and tip of the tongue. No, we say all tongue for five
Mm-hmm.
major parts. We say tongue. Yeah,
Yeah.
tongue and throat
Mm-hmm.
and both lips
Mm-hmm.
and the empty space of our mouth
Now, okay.
and our lips,
Yeah.
tongue, lips. So these are five major parts.
Tongue,
Jawfedahan is
throat.
our empty space of our mouth and throat. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that is a one makhraj of three letters.
Mm-hmm.
That is the makhraj of three letters,
Yeah,
and that inshallah I'll do the up to sa, and then I'll see here. I'll show you these three vowel are big
mm-hmm.
vowels. Long vowels are three. Okay, we have in
Alif,
English
wow,
there
and
are
yeah.
five long
Mm-hmm.
vowels, and in Arabic is there are three. Alif, when alif is empty,
Mm-hmm.
it comes from empty space of your mouth and throat. Okay, when wow come with a little dal on head, it is called skoon, wow skoon. Or wow could be empty as well, but skoon is there. And
Mm-hmm.
ya, wow, alif, and ya, they come from empty space of your mouth and
Mm-hmm.
throat, but the wow and ya have condition.
Mm-hmm.
Wow
Yeah.
and ya will have skoon on.
Oh.
Wow and ya will have skoon on them,
Mm-hmm.
and then they are from empty space. They come from empty space of our mouth and throat.
Throat, yeah.
Yeah. So the otherwise, if wow have zabar on other harka or something, then wow is not a vowel. Wow is not a vowel then.
Mm-hmm.
Vowel letter. This is these are only three when they have a condition of
A
sukoon
sukoon.
on them. Inshallah,
Mm-hmm.
I will show you when it comes to the
Yeah,
practice.
yeah,
Yeah.
I understand.
So three long vowels. Then alif. This alif come from the empty space. So that is part of vowel. Yeah. Number one
Mm-hmm.
vowel. Number one. Inshallah. So then our ba, ta, sa. We were on sa. Sa,
Yeah. Mhm.
sa is sharing the same makhraj with the two different letters. This is sa, zal, and da. These were ta, ta, 1 minute, ta, and
Mhm.
ta, and dal. They are sharing the same makhraj here, and
Mhm.
they called harufe nitaiya.
Mhm.
Nitaiya. Harufe nitaiya.
Yeah.
So then these harufe nitaiya is a one set of three letters.
Mhm.
Okay. And now the sa is similar. Sa is used in Lithuania. So Nitaya used ta in and saying the word. and Latvia used sign. And I remembered by use of
The dots.
these letters. Yeah.
Mhm.
So Latvia have all three dot letters.
Uh-huh.
Latvia have three dot letters sa, one dot letter zal, and za.
Uh-huh.
Sa, dal, and za. They all come from
The
the
same.
same makhraj, and
Okay.
ta, dal, and ta, huruf nitaiya, come from the same makhraj as well, which is here. And sa, dal, and za, of course, their sounds are different. Fa, 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 zal, 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 and za, za. Za is a heavy letter. These
Mhm.
two are lighter letters. This is a heavy letter. Za is heavy. Ta is heavy. There's a heavy letter. For heavy, making heavy, we will see how do we make letter heavy. Okay. We have to do something to make letter heavy. No rounding our mouth, but something else, inshallah, we will learn that. So, sa, sa, ta, and fa. Fa is harufe lisviya. Lisviya. This one. Fa, lisviya. Tip of the tongue touches the tip of
It
your
is.
two upper teeth.
It
And
is.
simple as that. And their qualities are different. Look, sa, the back of your tongue is right exactly straight, like it's not touching, no moving, relaxed. Same for dal as well. But when ta comes, the back of your tongue right goes back here, closing this path a wee bit, making it narrow. So fa, we say fa, fa. Say after me,
Fa.
both of you. Aisha, you say fa. Aisha,
I
are you
don't
there?
think.
Hmm?
It's me. I don't think.
Say the letter fa, fa,
Fa.
fa. Yeah, fa, fa. Remember this. This is the condition where your tape goes. Okay,
Okay.
tape is not coming out, or tape is not staying behind.
Mhm.
It's exactly underneath. That is fa, fa. Alif, ba, ta, fa. Alif, ba, ta, fa. Alif, ba, ta, fa. You say now.
Alif, ba, ta, sa.
Sa, we don't say sa. Sa is seen. No whistle in it. Sa, sa, softer. It's a
Oh.
softer sound.
Okay.
Soft
Alif, ba,
sound.
ta, sa.
Sa, sa,
Ba,
sa,
ba,
sa.
ba, ba. Alif,
Okay.
ba, ta, sa.
Okay, Aisha, you say quick, Aisha. You're shy. Okay.
Hmm?
Inshallah. You
Aisha,
want
you
to
need
say?
to say
Okay, Aisha, say.
I didn't hear the question.
Okay,
Aisha,
you
you need to
say
repeat
these
after
letters
her.
after me. Listen carefully. Alif, ba, ta, sa.
Alif ba ta sa.
Well done. Alif, ba, ta, sa.
Alif ba ta sa.
No sa. No harder. No putting pressure there. Okay, only touching. If you put pressure on sa, that is pressure. Sa, only touching. Sa. This is softly putting something softly on something. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
On one is if you like you take a hammer and you um, like bang on the nail with the very hard hitting with full pressure. What happens? This harder sound will you will feel harder sound. Yeah, you will hear harder sound. But if you just put hammer on the nail without making any noise and without using any power of ear, what will happen? You think nail will go down?
No.
No, nail will stay as it is. But if you put like pressure on, you bring the hammer with the full power and you bang on the nail. What happens?
I'm gonna have a very big sound.
Sound, big sound, and also it will affect nail as well. Nail will
Mhm.
go down. Yeah. So if you put pressure on, sa, sa, or sa, if somebody says sa, sa, that is a this sound, sa, sa. Can you see? Seen, seen. English word
Mhm.
seen. We say, have you seen this? Seen
Yes.
that. So,
Sure.
so we say sa, sa, softer. This is a very soft letter. Okay. They all three are haruf liswiya, are soft letters. I will send you the names of them as well. Okay, liswiya. That's using the same sa. Lam and sa and wow we use to say liswiya. Inshallah. So this is
Yes.
our sa. Alif ba ta sa.
Alif ba ta tha.
Okay. Now I want you to write down your makharij. Okay.
Mhm.
So five major parts of our body, which
Mhm.
are, but I'm not going to give you too much. I want you to concentrate on your Mukharj first.
Mhm.
If your
The
Mukharj, hmm,
imaging letters, where they come from.
where they, we say the exit
Okay.
area of the each letter, where the
Okay.
letters comes from, like where they stay, where their houses are. Yeah.
Mhm.
So that the five places, hulk, that is throat, and our tongue, two lips, an empty space of our mouth, and our nose. Okay,
Mhm.
these five
Mhm.
places. In these five places, there are 17 sub makhraj,
Mhm.
five big major makhraj and 17 sub makhraj, where the all 29 alphabet are coming from.
Mhm.
Those 17 sub makhraj, like in here we have here one makhraj. This tongue have lots of different places which where we touch. Okay,
Mhm.
they all will be counted in those 17 places. Like a throat, inshallah, will be divided into three places, but six letters come from. Lips, four letters come from. One, like there are two sets, but still we use lip. That's
Mhm.
why because shafatain mean two lips. And
Shafatain.
shafatain mean two lips. An Arabic word shafatain mean two
Two
lips.
lips.
Two lips. And al-lisan mean tongue.
Alisan.
Al-lisan. And throat mean halq. Halq.
Halaq.
Arabic word
Mhm.
halq is throat.
Halaq.
Okay. Halq. So we use all of them. Yeah.
Mhm.
Inshallah. And we will learn the names of the teeth as well, no problem. Inshallah.
Okay. Sure.
There are names incisor and premolar and this or that. They all are names, but we
Mm.
don't have to learn if we don't want to. Okay. Inshallah.
Okay.
Inshallah. So alif ba ta sa jim. Now these are two letters words. As you can see, two
Mhm.
letters are
They
used
add
to
alif.
say their names. We
Mhm.
used ta and alif, ba and alif, sa and alif to say their names. Like
So you stretch it this one count.
hmm? No,
So
no,
the
no,
alif
no.
stretch it
At
to
the
one
minute,
count.
at the minute we are not saying count. How many count? Okay. At
Okay.
the at the moment we are just saying how we write. Like your name is Amina, and you write Amina. Yeah,
Mhm.
five letters you're using to say Amina. Yeah.
Yeah. Mhm.
And same way, Alif is using three letters to say his
To
name.
say alif. Okay.
And Ba is using two letters, Alif and Ba and Alif to say name. And
Okay.
Ta, same way, two letters. and sa. So how many letters we are looking at, we will stretch the letter according
Okay.
to
So we use this is
two letters.
the gym. So gym
Jim
we use
using three letters.
the ya and meme. Gym ya meme.
Yeah,
Okay.
Jim, and no, Jim, ya, and
And meme.
Sheen.
It's the
They are
M,
from
the meme.
Jim. Yeah, yeah, oh, sorry, you are saying that. Yeah, Jim, ya, or meme.
Yeah.
Jim. So Jim, because we are stretching this G.
Mm-hmm.
You say G.
G
Mm,
gym.
Jim.
Mm-hmm.
Jim. So we stretch it a wee bit. Okay. When we say the name of Jim, we stretch it. Like
Mm-hmm.
Sheen and Seen and Sheen, we also, they
Mm-hmm.
are using three letters as well. Okay.
Yeah.
So Jim,
Gym.
it's like Aj,
Mm-hmm.
Jug, Jug. So Aj. So
Gym. Mm-hmm.
Jim. It's a quite strong letter.
Yeah.
Quite
Gym.
strong letter. Jim. Jim.
Gym.
So where Jim come from? Let's see. There is Jim. Can you see? Middle
Yeah.
of your tongue
Mm.
touches the middle part of your palate.
The sling of the tongue. Yeah. The sling of the mouth.
The
Mm-hmm.
middle part of your tongue touches the middle part of your palate.
Mm-hmm.
Palate is this part, yeah? The top.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so middle part of where the dome is, the dome area. If you can see the hollow dome area, oh, up, like
Mm-hmm.
in some masks, you see quite a hollow area, the dome where the higher places. So this is the, if you can see the curved part here, the
Mm-hmm.
dome. So it touches the tip, the middle of your tongue is going up and touching the middle, right exact above that place
The
is
palate.
middle
Yeah.
palate. Yeah, middle
Mm-hmm.
palate.
Yeah.
Where the, and this is G, for Gym is touching. It is touching.
Mm.
Okay, because Gym have two more friends which comes from the same same place. Middle of your tongue touches the middle of your palate. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So for Jim it touches, but for Sheen and Ya it don't touch. Ya is gair madiya, like not with vowel. The other Ya, it
Mm-hmm.
will be normal Ya, but with
Yeah.
vowel Ya, it comes from emptiness of your mouth and throat. But this is Jim. Jim, middle part of your palate touches the middle part of your tongue. So
Yeah.
this Jim and Ha. Ha is throat letter.
Ha. Ha. Mm-hmm.
Ha, ha, ha. It's the air comes
Ha.
out. When you say
Mm. Ha.
ha, your air comes out. You feel air outside. Put your hand in front of your mouth and
Yeah.
you open your mouth
Mm.
full.
Mm.
Ha, ha, and you feel air. Ha.
Mm-hmm.
This is one quality of ha when air comes out. If air is not coming out, that letter we are not saying properly.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So that's why ha. This is the open mouth letter. Open your mouth and say ha. Ha is also jim and ha. Both are lighter letters.
Yeah.
Okay, lighter, no heavy. And this is the ha, jim, and let's see ha. Ha. Can you see these lines?
Yeah. It's coming from the
Ha.
throat.
Ha. The sound is going up.
Mm-hmm.
Ha. Ha. And it goes all the way out. Ha. So where our this is we use for ha, middle part of your
Throat. Yeah.
throat, middle part of your halq or throat. We use middle part of your halq or throat to say ha, and ha is sharing an other letter with it, which is ein. Ain. Ain and ha are middle part of your throat, which is
True.
up here, the middle part of your throat. Ha and ain, they both share a
The
sound.
same. Uh-huh.
So ha, you say ha.
Ha.
You say jim,
Jim.
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 And Aisha, you say as well.
I
Just
don't
wait.
think Aisha is concentrating.
Jim,
Aisha.
ha, jim,
Jim.
ha.
Ha.
Yeah, you see that, you know something, more you practice, more you will get better. And your
Uh-huh.
ha is perfect at the moment. And keep it
Uh-huh.
like this, okay?
Mm.
And then, inshallah, we will soon will finish. Ha, the next letter is ha. Ha.
Ha.
This is a heavy letter. Ha. This is like scraping
Ha.
middle
Uh-huh.
of your throat,
Ha.
scraping middle of your throat. Okay.
Uh, ha. Okay.
Scrapey sound comes. Ha is right at end of your throat here. End of your throat.
Uh-huh.
Ha. Ha. Like we
Mm.
say, that is a
Mm.
rain as well. The
Yeah.
other letter
Yeah, the
which is
same
come
letter.
from here.
Uh-huh.
Ha and ra. Ha and rain. This rain. Ha and rain. They both are
Okay.
heavy letter.
Ha.
They both are heavy letters, and they
Uh-huh.
come from right exactly end of the throat. End of the throat. Look, can you see the blue line is finishing here?
Finishing, yeah.
Yeah, the ain was here. Ain was here somewhere. This is ghain, and this is hamza and has place somewhere here. Okay, so
Yeah.
ain, and this is ghain and ha, 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 ha. You see, ha,
Uh-huh.
ha.
Ha.
Now, what is
Ha.
happening?
Ha.
Two
Uh-huh.
always we use two parts of our body. Either they are going away, separating,
Uh-huh.
separationing is happening. Either they are joining together. Separation or joining. Separation
Uh-huh.
or joining. So when we use them now, for ha, ain and ghain, and hamza and ha, these two, we what happens, two parts of our throat, can you see, from this side, yeah,
Uh-huh.
uh, they they either come together, coming squeezing toward each other, or
Uh-huh.
either separating from each other.
Brother, okay.
But when we say the letter's name, we say ha, they are ha, ha, they are coming from their makhraj. They are
Mm-hmm.
separating, coming, inshallah. So this is ha, ha, scraping sound. This place, scraping sound is coming. Ha, ha, and ghain, ghain, ha, and gha, both. We will keep up to here today, inshallah. The Maghrib
Uh-huh.
will be soon.
Soon, yeah, inshallah.
Yeah, inshallah. So up to ha, and if you can, Amina, if you can teach your sisters as well, if they can learn.
No, yeah.
Or
I'll
just
try
I'm going to send the
the
video,
video.
and inshallah they will, if they concentrate, if they try, inshallah they will learn as well, because I am helping two people, and I can help at the same time 4 or 10 people, no problem.
Yeah, inshallah.
Yeah, so inshallah ta'ala, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us all, and accept from us,
Mm-hmm.
and inshallah this time the pictures are more clear for us,
Yes, they're very
inshallah,
clear.
to see. And inshallah, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make easy for us, ameen summa
Amin.
ameen. You can share with other people as well, no problem. They can learn on their own. If they can't come to the class, they can learn
Yeah, I'm gonna
in
add
their own.
friends to join as well,
Yeah,
inshallah.
yeah, if you can add as soon as possible, so they
Mm-hmm.
don't miss out.
It's too much. Yeah.
This is the root, this is root of our
Yeah, this
Quran
is
we
the
are
root of
learning.
Quran, yeah. If you know the
Yeah,
alphabet, then you can read.
yeah, if foundation, is strong, inshallah, our Quran will be strong. But if
Inshallah.
they missed out a foundation, then always weakness left there.
Very good. Yeah.
Yeah, inshallah. So just add them quickly. And link is there, or just send them link.
Mm-hmm.
They can add themselves. Yeah, or you can add them so they can, as soon as they join, they will start learning, and they will not fall behind then, inshallah.
Yeah. I will add, inshallah. I will add them.
इंशाल्लाह ठीक है ओके अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि
Walaikum salam wa
वबरकातुहू
rahmatullahi. Jazakallahu khairan.
सुब्हानक अल्लाहुम्मा व बिहम्दिका नशहदु अल्ला इलाहा इल्ला अंत नस्तगफिरुका व नतूबु इलैक वसल्लल्लाहु तआला अला खैरि खल्किही मुहम्मद व अला आलिही व अस्हाबिही अजमाइन बिरहमतिक या अरहमर राहिमीन बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम वल अस्र इन्नल इंसान लफी खुस्र إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر
Mm.
إن شاء الله السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته
Amin Allah. Okay. Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.